Okay, we're going to get started with Python and idle. We'll go into our schedule. We'll go to getting started. How about running Python? First thing you do is the download page, and you go ahead and download the latest, greatest Python for your operating system. I've already done that, so I'll proceed from there, but you should go ahead and install it. So the next thing you want to do is run idle, and for that, I'll go to to here, and I'll say idle. And sure enough, I get the idle app, and this is what happens when you get the idle app. You get a shell. Okay, uh, this is the Python shell. This is running Python. I can do 2 + 5 is 7, and 2 to the 18th turns out to be that. Whatever. Okay. But you don't edit your code here. This is where you see the output when your code is run. To edit your code, we need an editor. Let's make this smaller. I'm going to put this kind of down here and move this kind of over a little. Okay. So now we want to open a file. We can either open a new file or an existing file. Usually you'll have an existing file. Okay, for example, here's an existing file, hello world.py. I will click on this to download it, and I'll keep it. And look, there it is, hello world.py. Okay, put it down here. Now to edit that in idle, I'll go back to idle, and I will do file open, or you see the commando, I can just shortcut to commando. Anyway, I open, and on my desktop, I have hello world.py. And I open that, and here it is. This is the file that I'm editing. I like to arrange these like this, put this kind of over that, and put this one under. Okay, and so now both of these windows are idle. Down here is the shell. Up here is the file I'm editing. So I can edit this file. Let's actually print this is great. Okay, I edited the file. I can save the file with file, where is it? Save, or I can do Command S. And finally, I can run it with the run command up here, or simply by entering F5, which I do here. And when I run it, look what happens. Down here, it says, hello world, this is great. So this is the code that I'm running. I edit it up here. When I run it, it runs down in the shell. This is the editor up here. This is the shell down here. Don't confuse the two. Edit your code up here, run your code down here. Okay, I hope that helps. Good luck with it.